day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that gives meaning to our existence: human rights. These are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every person in the world. From the moment we are born until the end of our lives, they, they remind us that no matter our race, gender, religions, or status in life, we are all equal and deserve respect. Human rights protect our dignity. They give us the right to speak our minds, to go to school, to work safely, and to live free from abuse and discriminations. But sadly, many people around the world still suffer and violations of this right. Children are denied education, workers and treated unfairly, and people are judged simply because of who they are. That is why we as young citizens must understand and defend these rights. We should use our voice to promote equality, kindness, and justice in our communities. Even small action like standing up for a classmate or showing respect to others can make a difference. In the end, protecting human rights is not just the job of governments or organizations. It is our shared duty as human beings. When we uphold human rights, we build a world where everyone can live with freedom, respect, and peace. Thank you, and may we all stand together for humanity and justice.